Welcome back. In this video we're going to talk about additional Facebook apps you'll need, and then at the end of the video I'll run you through the fan page statistics to give you a good idea of how to gauge your progress on your Facebook fan page. So there are two main purposes for apps on Facebook. One is to engage your fans, gather information, or build trust, while the other is to promote or sell. So let's start with the former. Apps to engage, gather info, or build trust. So the first app that you'll want to download is the Fan Apps with a Z from Facebook. So you just come up here to your search bar from your page, type in Fan APZ, and here you go. 80,000 monthly users. Click on this. Continue on. From here, just click Learn More. Then click on Learn More here and log in. Here you can basically create your account just by logging in right here. Log in with Facebook and allow. Once you reach this page, you just fill out the information and click Next. So I'll go ahead and do that, and then I'll see you on the other side. Next page, you want to choose the page you want to add this to. Click Connect. And next. Okay, once you go through, there will be an option to pay $50 a month for the premium. Just say no thanks, continue with light, and then you'll end up on this page right here where you can create your content. You can add more pages or users and confirm your settings. So from this page, you'll just choose your page. And then you can come up here and choose all kinds of different options. Okay, so you can do engagement apps, you can create a poll, create a quiz, you can create a top 5. Top 5 is pretty cool. Basically, you just ask people what their top 5 favorite is of something, and then they tell you. So the reason this is good is it's basically going to help get you noticed and help with your market research. Okay, it gets you to know your market a little bit better. It also gives your market a chance to interact with you. Okay, standard polls are basically the same thing, except they're going to allow you to ask specific questions for, even more precise market research. And then quizzes are for audience engagement and building your fan base. Okay, so you can create quizzes. They're just kind of fun. They're more for just getting your audience engaged. People love to answer questions and figure out things about themselves. So if we wanted to create a poll, all we would have to do is come in here, create a poll. So for Profit Insiders, I might ask, let's say I'm trying to figure out exactly what people are wanting to learn. I might ask, what is the most important area you want to know more about in internet marketing? Okay, so I can choose a photo if I want to. It's optional. And then I could have some possible choices. So here I could say, affiliate marketing. I come down here and say email marketing. Maybe creating your own product, or social media marketing, or maybe have one more choice, which would be paid advertising. Okay, now obviously this is going to look a lot cooler if we add pictures, but I'm just doing this real quick to show you how to do it. So here you can either allow anonymous voting or not. I would go ahead and do that. You're going to get more votes that way. And we'll just leave this open, but you can always click this box and choose an end date as well down here. So we'll preview. Okay, so here's our latest poll. What's the most important area you want to know more about in internet marketing? So you can either choose affiliate marketing, email marketing, create your own product, social media marketing, or paid advertising. Okay, so you could publish this. So here we would just come down here, promote your poll. So in the comment I might say, you know, help us decide our next product. Got a link to our poll here, and then caption, description. You can change all this. Action text, take this poll now. You can add a photo if you want. We'll just leave it blank for now and then publish. Okay, our poll was successfully published. So now we can go back to our Facebook page. And here we go. So we've got our Profit Insiders help us decide our next product and a link to our poll. So you can click on this link and here we go. So it takes them right to this poll. They can choose affiliate marketing, email marketing, creating your product, social media marketing. Let's say they wanted to choose that. Say vote and share. They could come in, they could comment. They can share here. And they can see their vote right here. Awesome.